Hello everyone and welcome in the Battlefield 6 game. In this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to change the graphics quality in this game, so enjoy watching! As first, you should click here on the gear icon to open the settings. Now move to the graphics tab. And here the second option is graphics quality. You can choose from available options. You can set up all of the quality settings of graphics quality to a low amount, medium or high, or ultra. You can also choose custom and set up these options to your own preferences. Of course, if you're using the different options here, then usage of your video memory is different. You can see it on the Ultra, you can see the available storage that you have for your memory in GPU and the amount that you're using currently. If I use the Ultra settings, you can see that I have a good PC and a lot of storage is left, so I'm good to use Ultra settings here. Of course, if you're using higher settings, that may reduce the performance, depends of the PC that you're using and your preferences while playing the games. If you want it to be more efficient or visual better, that depends of you. Choose your best option here. That would be all for this video. Hope you like it. Leave a comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Goodbye!